Press Menu. Select Other Vessels. TT. Auto Acquire. The icons represent use the control pad to move the cursor. The on-ship position will be shifted to here. Press Select. Select Off-Center. If you want to cancel, invoke the cursor and press Select. Select Cancel Off-Center. Press Select at the position you want to zoom. Select Picture-in-Picture Zoom. You can use the control pad to continue adjusting the magnified position. Press Back to cancel. Parallel indexing lines can help you go through congested water or narrow canals. In appearance, toggle on Pi lines. Select Display Side for setting up the Pi lines on one or both sides. Select Adjust Pi lines. Use the control pad to adjust the direction and distance. And that's it. Thank you for watching.